Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Two-Ton, and this dude just got off of work, and it's Friday. Fried Chicken Friday. So I stopped at Church's Chicken, and then I got this awesome idea of making spicy Korean fried chicken. It's gonna be delicious. I'm about to pull up to the drive-thru, order me some mixed fried chicken, extra crispy. Then I'm gonna go home, make up the sauce, toss it in the sauce. It's gonna be super delicious. Can't wait to show you. So let's get to cooking. Let's go.
So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind.
So guys, I got my fried chicken right here. About to go home, cook it up. See you at home, right?
I can see right through that disguise.